So let's make this delicious, easy, nutritious breakfast recipe. This is one of my favorites because actually this recipe requires just 1 tablespoon of oil. It's perfectly steamed, loaded with vegetables, packed with flavors, and not to miss this yummy chutney that is also enriched with all the vitamins and minerals and a very nice tempering. So stay tuned for the entire recipe. We love this recipe, especially when you are in a time of hurry and want to make something interesting. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Color English, and I hope you are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this yummy and delicious recipe. First I have taken a normal thali or a plate that we use in a normal regular homes. I'll just nicely grease it with some oil, regular cooking oil. And here I have soaked fine semolina or Suji around 2 cups. You can also take this measurement of a bowl. So 2 cup or 2 bowl of semolina I have soaked with 1 cup of yogurt or dahi for around 30 minutes. And once it's nicely soaked, I had also added some water, around 1 cup of water. This I will blend to a smooth puree. Basically the semolina will soak the goodness of this yogurt and the water we have added and will form a nice paste. Once it's done, I'll be adding half a cup chopped onion, some chopped carrots. You can throw in some beans, capsicum, veggies of your choice, but you can also add some ginger and some green chilies, and some I have added here some fresh green peas. You can also substitute from frozen green peas. Basically all the vegetables you can add goes in. Salt I'll be adding and 2 tablespoons of oil I'll be adding at this stage. That's it. The entire recipe has this much limited amount of oil. Give it a mix. Here's the catch. Before adding any rising agent, I'll be first heating this pan. I have added 1 glass of water and a stand I have used to steam. Once the water starts to heat, after 5 minutes, first I will be adding 2 tablespoons of fruit salt or and to activate it I will be adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now give it a mix. Now this step is very important. Once the water starts to heat, I will be doing this process because after adding the or the rising agent, I need to steam it immediately, but make sure the water should not be also boiling, otherwise you can harm yourself. So it has just started to heat and I will add the grease tray first, and then on the top of it I will add batter. Don't add the batter previously and then place inside. It is a kind of risky. So I'll sprinkle some Kashmiri red chili powder. If you want a little bit spicy, you can sprinkle the normal red chili powder. Cover it and let it steam for good 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our chutney. Here I have taken roasted Bengal gram or Chana dal. That's the chutney dal, around half a cup, and half a cup of I have taken a roasted peanuts. I have discarded the skin, and to add flavors I will be using 4 garlic pods, green chili, and 1 small lemon sized tamarind. You can also adjust the quantity according to your taste. Salt, few curry leaves, that gives an immense flavor for this chutney, and half a cup water I will be adding and blend it to a nice puree form. Perfect consistency, smooth chutney is ready for a delicious snack. This is a perfect breakfast recipe loaded with nutrients, flavors, and we are using our time. While it's steaming, our chutney is ready here. For the tempering, I will be using 2 teaspoons of oil, some red fresh chilies. You can also use the dry red chilies, some cumin seeds and rye or the mustard seeds. These rye are the smaller version of mustard seeds and they turn out to be best for tempering. And few curry leaves goes in. Just temper for around 30 seconds. Switch off the flame and this goes on this beautiful chutney. This will not only enhance the flavors, but the cumin seeds and mustard seeds have their own flavors and properties that infuse to our chutney. It's done and it's been around 20-25 minutes now. So let's check it. This has been steaming nicely, and let me just use a spoon and this comes out clear. You can see it's nice dry. Now I'll carefully remove this. So it's completely depends upon you. So this is the trick I use. Carefully I'll remove it, and now you can see here the texture speaks volumes about the dish. It has been perfectly steamed. I'll keep it in room temperature for around 10 minutes till this has settled down, and now it's time to see what's the result. And you can see the sides, how beautifully they have detached itself from the plate. It's perfectly steamed, done with zero oil, negligible oil, not zero oil. Of course, we have used around 2 tablespoons of oil, and now it's time to cut it into pieces, desired pieces, loaded with vegetables, flavors, onions, carrots, you name it, and you have it, probiotics, and it's done. And if you want to enhance some protein quantity in this recipe, you can add in some besan or roasted gram flour. That will enhance some amount of protein in this recipe, adding with the semolina. Again, it's your choice. So this looks perfect. So I've served this with this chutney, and as I said, both the combination are just wow. Steamed vegetables enriched with some vitamins, minerals, probiotics, tempered with all the flavors of the garlic and curry leaves. Everything just assimilates perfectly. To try this recipe, best part is that this can be made under 30 minutes and serves to the whole family. It's not that you have to do individually each things, just make it, steam it, cut it, and it's ready to be served. And just let me show you the consistency and the texture. It's so beautifully done. You can see here the pores inside this snacks, this big volumes. The veggies are perfectly done, and my god, the taste of this chutney was just heavenly. To try it, to believe it, and let me know how your dish turned out, because this dish has very simple ingredients and can be literally made in minutes. So do let me know, and I hope you have liked today's my effort, this page. If you have loved the page, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.